Children, today we are going to learn about refining process. What does mean by refining? Refining means removal of impurities which are associated with the crude metal. Impurities means maybe the other metals, non-metals, metal oxides, the unwanted thing which is present with the metal. Removal of all these impurities is called as refining process. So many methods are employed: distillation, liquation, electrolytic refining, zone refining, vapor phase method. In vapor phase methods, Mons process, Van Herkel method. One by one we are going to see today. So the first method is distillation. Here the low boiling volatile metals can be purified. Low boiling volatile metals can be purified. Best example, zinc, boiling point 1180 Kelvin, mercury, boiling point 630 Kelvin. Here the impure metal is heated above its boiling point so that the metal can form vapors, leaving the impurities. Impurities do not form vapor. Then the vapors can be condensed to get the pure metal. Impure metal heated to evaporate, so it become vapors. Then the vapors get condensed to form the pure metal, leaving behind the impurities. This is called distillation. The impure metal is heated above the boiling point, above its boiling point. That's main important. Next, liquation. In liquation, the impure metal is heated. Impure metal heated, but in the absence of air. I have sent the video demonstrating liquation. You can see the diagram. You can see the apparatus, how the process is meant. That is that the impure metal is heated in a sloping earth like this. It is heated in a sloping earth, but in the absence of air. So, since the metal having here, the metal having low melting point, but impurity having high melting point. So the metal heated, the metal melts and flows and gets collected. The impurities, since it is having high melting point, it is left behind here only. It gets melted only lately. So before that the metal melts and flows down, we can remove the metal, leaving behind the impurities. This is called liquation process. For this liquation process, I have sent a video of demonstrating it. You can see and enjoy that one. Then the distillation process, liquation process, all this process is given clearly in the book. This liquation process is meant for many metals. Tin having melting point 904 Kelvin. Then lead, Pb, having melting point 600 Kelvin. Then mercury, melting point 234 Kelvin. Then bismuth melting point 545 Kelvin. These all metals can be purified by this process, liquation process.